Hello, everyone. Today, we're starting an in-depth tutorial on Python operators. This video will cover everything from the basics of arithmetic operators to advanced bitwise operations, so you can master these essential tools in Python programming. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the fundamentals or an experienced coder brushing up on your skills, this course is for you. Grab a notebook, open up your code editor, and let's get started. Before we dive into specific operators, let's understand what operators are. In Python, operators are symbols that perform operations on variables and values. Python has several types of operators, including arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, and more. We'll cover each type in detail, starting with arithmetic. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponentiation. These are the most basic operators used for performing mathematical calculations in Python. Let's write a few lines of code to see each one in action. Each operator has a specific function. For example, floor division returns the quotient without the remainder, while modulus gives you the remainder. Exponentiation raises the number to the power of another. Practice using these operators in different combinations to become familiar with them. Next, let's discuss comparison operators. These are used to compare two values and return a Boolean result, true or false. We have equals for equality, equals for not equal, greater than less than, and greater or equal, etc. Let's write some code to understand how they work. These operators are often used in if statements and loops to make decisions based on conditions. Logical operators and, or, and not allow you to combine multiple conditions in a single expression. This is especially useful in making complex decisions. Let's write a code snippet using these logical operators. Bitwise operators work at the binary level and are used to manipulate bits directly. They are useful for low-level programming tasks, such as optimizing performance or working with device control. Now, let's put everything we've learned into practice. I'll present a series of coding challenges using the operators we've covered so far. Follow along and try solving them with me. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.